Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to make your own sound in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app. So here it is. Normally whenever we upload any video in TikTok, we use other sound, but if you want our own sound, how to do it? Let's try this. We need to click on this plus icon to record or upload the video. At first we need to have the video with the sound we want to upload. So let's click on this upload icon over here and choose the video with the required sound. Now click on next. Now next again and finally post. So the video is finally posted. Now click on this profile icon over here and open your video. Now click on this circular icon in the down. So let's click on this and now here we can see the original sound. You can play this and listen to this. So this is our original sound and now you can use your sound from this and others can also use this sound. So yeah, this is how you can make your own sound in TikTok. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.